panghuli po, Mayor, meron kayong sinasabi na diskriminasyon na nilalabanan ninyo. Ano ho ba ito?
Oo nga po, no, that is one thing we would like to clarify, no? Kasi especially when they hear the word Muslims, what promptly comes to the minds of the majority is something negative perception, yung connotation like traitor, kidnapper, something like that. So, kaya nga, as a result then, when one Muslim applies for a certain job or in a certain company, then he's being one would merit stricter screening before he's taken in or worse yet the company would tear him down. So, dapat sana, people should not generalize or jump into conclusion right away. Or a wrong deed of a single person should not be taken as a reflective of the behavior of the group to which he belongs. That would be a very
But to be fair po, Mayor, this is not just, true dito sa ating bansa. Kumbaga, international po na problema ito, na universal, global.
Pero yun nga po, ang dapat nating linawin. Kung may isang Muslim na gumawa ng masama, lahat ng Muslim, ganun sila.